Hello there. Today I'll be walking you through the process of using your Nectar points on eBay. If you're looking to make the most out of your purchases and save a little extra cash, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and I'll guide you through every step to ensure you can use your Nectar points seamlessly while shopping on eBay. From the 1st of September 2024, the way Nectar points work with eBay has changed completely. In this video, I'll explain exactly what's new, how to still earn Nectar points through eBay, and what happens to your old vouchers. Let's get started. Step 1. What has changed? As of September 2024, you can no longer link your Nectar account with eBay. This means you can no longer collect or spend Nectar points directly through your eBay account. If your accounts were previously linked, that connection has now been removed. Step 2. Existing vouchers still work. If you converted Nectar points into eBay vouchers before 31st of August 2024, don't worry. Those vouchers are still valid. They remain usable for 12 months from the date of issue. Just remember, each voucher can only be used on one order with a minimum value of £10, including postage. Step 3. New way to earn Nectar points on eBay. Even though direct linking is gone, you can still earn Nectar points where? Here's how. Open the Nectar app or visit the Nectar website. Search for eBay in the list of partner retailers. Click through to eBay using the link provided. Then shop as usual on eBay. This click-through is essential. It's the only way to earn Nectar points on eBay after the changes. Step 4. Double points earning. When you shop through the Nectar app or website, you now earn 2 Nectar points for every £1 you spend, double the previous rate. But keep in mind, if you go directly to eBay without using the Nectar link, you won't earn any points. Step 5. Important reminders. You can no longer earn or spend Nectar points directly on eBay. No new eBay vouchers can be created after 31st of August 2024. Existing vouchers remain valid for 12 months from the date they were issued. You must click through the Nectar to earn points. And finally, it may take up to 90 days for your Nectar points to appear after making a purchase. Thanks.